Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add products to your Wix website. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. First of all, open wix.com and simply create an account. If you already have an account, then log in using the credentials to follow along. After you are done with it, it will ask you for the email verification. Simply type in your email address and verify it. After you are done setting up your account, what you need to do is just open your website list by clicking on My Sites tab. Here you can see that all of your website that you have created until now are displayed. Simply select the site you want to add products to and click on Edit Site. This button only appears when you head over to your mouse over the target website. After you click on Edit, the target website will open up in a new tab. A menu will be present at the left side of the screen. Inside it, select the plus icon to locate Store. If you can't find it, just search it in the given search bar and a variety of store types will be displayed in front of you. Select a preferred type and drag it on your area you desire to place the store on. It will take a few moments to settle the store. After it settles down, simply click on Customize Product to add or replace new products of your liking. And that's how you can add products to your Wix website. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.